Hey there, y'all. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. All right, guys. So guess what? The reveal for the Ipsy November bags has been made. And we also got spoilers for all 3 bags. So I'm going to try to timestamp this down in the comments. I'll try to pin it if I remember. Y'all know my brain is about gone. So guys, if you're excited about this video, go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also, hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi. I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing the leak of the Boxy Charm October base box. Well, thank you so much, Audrey Osborne. Audrey says, hi, yay! Well, hi Audrey, honey, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well, and I really do hope that you get what you want in your box, and I really appreciate you having your bell on and coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, before we dive into this madness, I'm going to put up a 5-second timer. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so during that time. You're going to see a little red heart turn a shade of blue for about a half a second, so don't blink. But it's also going to give you good luck for the rest of 2020, and who don't need that right now? So let's go ahead and do that. Well, welcome to the family, guys. Now let's dive into this madness. Again, we have the bag reveals for Ipsy November, as well as spoilers for all 3 bags, so I'm so excited. And some of these spoilers, guys, I thought were spoilers for October, and they weren't, because they were sent to me in an email, so I'm going to have to go back and correct that video, so I'm just so excited. Let's go ahead and look at the bags, guys. Let's go ahead and pull up the standard bag. I love these bags. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's the colors or the shape on it. I don't know what it is. I just love them. Now, the standard is like a tan color with beige, a beige shade, and then black. These are like my favorite colors together for some reason. I love neutral. I love natural colors. I just love natural shades. I love the shape on it. The zipper is like a really light pink. I just love this bag, guys. Now let's go ahead and pull up the Plus. Now, of course, you know this is a drawstring bag. It's called the Plus Ultra now. So this has got like kind of the same shape but upside down, and it's got basically the same colors except for instead of the beige, it's like a light pink. So this is a tan, black, and light pink one, and it kind of looks like leather. You know, it looks more leathery than the standard one looked, so I would carry this anywhere. Next, let's pull up the Ultimate. Now, this one is a little bit different than the last 2 bags. Instead of tan, it's like a darker brown, and then a light pink shade along with a beige. So it's missing the tan shade in the last 2 as well as the black. And I just love the shape of this. I love that brown is covering most of the bag, and that does look like suede to me. So, guys, as for the bags, I love them. I actually love them. Now, let's go ahead. You know, I do this every time we do a bag reveal. So, let's go ahead and pull up the November 2019 bags. This, if you remember, was that either it was leopard or cheetah print bags. All 3 of them, if you remember these. So let me know if you think they've done any better this year, if you like this year's bags better, or if you liked the ones from November last year. So guys, let's look at the spoilers. First up is standard. So far for standard, these look absolutely amazing so far. So first up is the 111 Skin Y Therum, is that how you say that? Day Cream, and this is NACY2. Next is and I've never heard of this, SJP Beauty Lovely You Fragrance. Ooh, I bet that smells amazing. I hope it ain't too strong. Next is the Tatcha Deep Cleanse. Now, guys, this is one of the things. Matter of fact, these next few items are some of the things they sent to me in an email, and I thought they were October. Come find out, guys, they're November. So, next up is the Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisturizer Cream, and then the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. Next up is the Complex Culture Good Lightening Highlighter in the shade Afterglow. And then we also see the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer. Next up is another new brand I've never heard of. This is Item Beauty, and this is the Lid Glaze and Lunar Drop. So I'm assuming this is, since it says lid glaze, like it's a liquid eyeshadow, so that's pretty neat. Next is the ABH Liquid Lipstick Mini in the shade Pure Hollywood. And then we see the Tarte Double Duty Beauty Shape Tape Concealer. Now this is in light and medium, and of course I hope they're going to have different shades for different skin tones. Next, let's look at the Plus. Now we got some spoilers for them as well. First up is the Tula Face Filter Blurring Moisturizing Primer. Next is the Sugar Rush Lip Sip Vegan Oil in the shade Dragon Fruit. Then we see the Violet Voss Coral Pop Eyeshadow Palette. Guys, this palette is calling my name. Next up is the Murad Retinol Night Cream. And then we see the Julep Eyeshadow 101 Cream to Powder Eyeshadow Stick in the shade Champagne Shimmer. And then we also see the Trestique Good Vibes Mascara. Next up, guys, is the Ultimate. Now, here's a reminder of the bag. Now, let's see the spoilers. First up is the Biro Bell Pepper Serum. Next is the Milk Makeup Kush Lip Glaze in Chronic. And then we also see the Milk Makeup Matcha Cleanser. Then we see the Cottage Greenhouse Pomegranate Facial Serum. And then we see, is this Outre, I'm not sure how to say that, by Use Me. This is the Instant Repair Hair Mask plus CBD. And then last but certainly not least is the Nomad Times Tuscany Intense Eyeshadow Palette. Again, another perfect palette for fall, guys. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to see y'all get these things. I hope you get everything that you want in your bags. Let me know what you think about all these items and the bags down in the comments section. Of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, Ipsy is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Rhonda Stuthers. I hope I said that right. If I didn't, I do apologize, Rhonda. Anyways, Rhonda says, thanks for spilling the tea. Well, Rhonda, honey, you are more than welcome. You know, anytime there is some tea that needs to be spilled, especially with these subscription boxes, I'm here for that. I'm here for spoilers all day long. Ain't that crazy? The spoilers got spoiled. Y'all ain't got no damn sense. Anyways, Rhonda, I really appreciate you coming and watching the video, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I ain't got any? Yeah, they do it all the time. But if you would, check on that for me. If you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. There's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Dang YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on. That way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. I love you guys so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.